Hi guys, welcome back to Think Tank Online Learning. In this video, we're going to talk about developments. Okay, so the first problem we're given a cylinder. So we have to develop lateral surface of the cylinder of diameter 40 millimeter and height of 60 millimeter, cut in the following way. Okay, so the first thing you have to do, you have to draw a circle which represent the plan. Okay, so I'm going to draw my circle down here. Okay, my circle is going to have a radius of 20 millimeter since the diameter is 40. Okay, then the next thing is to divide the circle into 12 equal parts. Okay, I'm since opening my canvas at the same radius, so just go to this point, draw an arc, draw an arc, okay. So after doing that, I'll name my points. This is point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 0. Okay, then after that, I will project all my points upwards using a construction lines. Okay, so this is 0, 12, and this point is 1, 11, this point is 2, 10, this point is 3, 9, this is 4, 8, this is 5, 7, and 6. Okay, then after that, I'm going to draw lateral surface. So the first thing you have to do is extend this line. Okay, just like this. Okay, then I want to draw my surface. Start from here. Okay, like this. Okay, then I have to measure the distance from end point, the distance between 2 points. So this is the distance. Okay, I'll come here. Strike an arc up to 12. So the best way to do that, okay, now I know that this distance is 10, so instead of using a canvas, I can just use a ruler. I want 12 parts, so this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, and after that, I take my set square, I project the points upwards using construction pens. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, the next thing is to name your points. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Okay. Then after doing that, you check your t-square. Okay, I'm going to start with the 0, 0. So you draw, just project this line horizontally. Okay, so that means 0 is here, but this point is 0, 12. So I have to mark the edge here. Then I'm going to 1, 11 here, project 1, 11, 1 here, 11 is here, 2, 10, 2, 10, then 3, 3, 9, 3 is here, 9 is here, and I go to 4, 8. Okay, so as you can see, 4, 8 and 2, 10 is the same. So 4, 8, yeah. Then I go to 5, 7. 5, 7 and 1, 11 are the same. So 5, 7. Then finally I'll go to 6. 6 is here. Okay, then after doing that, all you have to do is just to trace your point. Okay, so now I can outline. Okay, then using a sharp pencil, use free hand here. Okay. Make sure that your pencil is very sharp. Okay, and as you can see, this is the lateral surface of a cylinder. Okay, so to those who want to know what we're doing is that we have a cylinder here, and the cylinder is cut in this form. As you can see, here is the same as here. So the lateral surface, all we just do is that we open the cylinder at end point. Okay, you can open it here, but I'm going to open it here. Okay, so we just ask to draw this surface. So as you can see, this is the surface. This surface is the same as this surface. That is what development is all about. Okay, thank you for watching.